Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to today's session. I am introducing myself. I am Devasis, and I am your soft skill trainer. Before begin today topic, I just want to ask you that do you have any doubt in last section? Okay, very good. You don't have any doubt. So let's move to the today topic. Our today topic is self confidence. Okay, guys, self confidence. We will do a deep discussion on this self confidence. I personally love this section. Okay, I had make a PPT for you. I just want to show you a PPT. Because see guys, why you need a self confidence? Because in your daily life you are facing lots of challenges in your life, so you need a adequate self confidence. Because self confidence people are very much they are success in their life, and they are positively work for a future. Okay, so you need a self confidence for a better future. So I had make a PPT for you. See guys, we will discuss some contents here. Um See, what is self confidence? Reason people are not self confidence. How can you become more self confidence? Benefit of self confidence. Why confidence people succeed in their life? And last conclusion, we will discuss on this topic. I will go through your proper definition of self confidence. Okay, what is self confidence, and what is the definition of self confidence? Okay, guys, just note down. Okay, self confidence is a superpower. Okay, self confidence is a superpower once you start to believe. When you start to believe in yourself. Okay, so note down, guys. Self confidence is a superpower once you start believe in yourself. Believe me guys, magic start happening. Okay, so when you are self-confidence, the concept, definition of self-confidence is, the concept of self-confidence is commonly used as self-assurance and in one personal judgment, ability and power. So so your self-confidence will be grow bigger and stronger when you are believe in yourself. Okay, look at this picture, guys. Who can say what it is? Okay, it is a cat, right? Okay, so but what his shadows telling? His shadows telling that it is a lion. So you should believe in yourself that you can do it. Okay, see the picture. So if a cat can do, so definitely you can do, right? If a animal believe that he can do, then definitely you can do. Okay, so let's move to the next picture. Self confidence is a key to unlock your unlimited potential, guys. You all have potential. You all have potential, but you should believe in yourself. When you believe that you can do, that means you you definitely win in your life. Okay, so you believe in yourself. So don't say I can't. Don't say I could not do these things. So always say I can. Everything can possible when you believe in yourself. Okay, we will discuss next things. The reason people are not confident. We'll discuss why people are not self confidence. What is the problem? What are the problem they are facing in their life? Okay, so uh, basically, when people are trying to be somebody that you are not, sometimes people are thinking that they can do much. They can their abilities. So trying to be don't try to be copy someone. Okay, okay. Next, what is the reason of people are not self-confidence? Next is criticism affect you. When some people are criticize yourself, so that time you lose your self-confidence. When a negative feedback coming to you, that time you lose your self-confidence. Okay, so next reason why people are not self-confident: when you don't have the skill which you are doing, that time you lose your self-confidence. Okay, so next reason why people are not self-confident: because they are affected by painful past experience, and that time you lose your self-confidence, guys. Okay, so next reason why people are not self-confident: because they don't have supportive people around you. Okay, that time you lose your self-confidence. Because see guys, in your school or college or in your class, if you don't have supportive friend, that time you lose your self-confidence. Okay, uh, sometimes your friends are your strength, your families are your strength, but when you sometimes what happening, your family is not support you, sometimes your friends are not support you, that time you definitely lose your self-confidence. Okay, so next we'll discuss how can you become more self-confidence, how can you get more self-confidence. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, who can say who he is? Okay, you guess right. He is Mr. Ambani, Mukesh Ambani. He is the chairperson of Reliance Industry. See, look at his face. He is in a smiling face, right? Why he is smiling? Because smile gives you more strength. Smile gives you more strength. Okay, smile give you a positive affirmation. You can do it. You can say yourself that you can do it. The picture is telling that he representing himself in a conference, and he very much confidence in your side. Okay, so look at the second picture. Who can say who he is? See, who she is? She is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. He is a kind-hearted woman. He sorry, she gives a lots of love to the societies. Okay, so so look at her face. She is in a smiling face. Okay, next go to the second picture. Okay, look at this picture. Who can say who he is? He is a Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, he is the mega star of Bollywood. So uh, so here we'll discuss develop direct eye contacts. Guys, why eye contacts required? Eye contacts gives a the eye contact. Okay, eye contact is the act of looking into someone's eyes. Okay, maintaining eye contact during the conversation gives the impression that you are friendly. Okay, so that time you feel a positive self confidence. Okay, in when you saw looking someone eyes, when you conversation someone with someone, no, when you communicate with someone, that time you should eye contact. That time if you positively eye contact, then that time you will get a self confidence in your side. Okay, so next picture. Okay, generate energy within you. Generate energy within you. Why generate energy within you? Because generator, that produce electricity. Okay, so generate energy within you. Being a self confidence, that time your self confidence will be bigger and much much bigger. Okay, so generate energy within you. Okay, next is love and accept yourself. Just guys, just love yourself. Okay, just love yourself and accept, you know uh, accept you, whether you may be poor, you may be rich, you may be tall, you may be short, you may be fat or you may be thin, you may be black or you may be white, but you should accept yourself what you are. If you accept yourself, then definitely trust me guys, uh, I personally experienced it. And if you trust yourself, guys, definitely your self confidence will be grow. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Okay, I'll explain you all. Okay, so if you have doubt, then ask me directly. Okay, next is pamper yourself. Okay, look at this picture. Who can say who he is? He is Mr. John Abraham. Okay, mega star of Bollywood. Okay, look at this picture. She is Rekha, right? Everyone's know. Uh, so, uh, what this pampers? What is this picture telling? It's pamper yourself, because if you pamper yourself, you you should say that you are blessed with God. So you will you can say you can do anything, you can express anything. Okay, you should believe in yourself that you can do that. You should pamper yourself. Okay, next picture is telling that model successful people. You should make a role model. Like my role model is Sachin Tendulkar. No, look at this picture. Okay, he's the god of cricket. So you should make a role model. Okay, like Shah Rukh Khan is the superstar of Bollywood. Okay, so you should make a role model so that you will want to be like him. Okay, so next picture is, you know, do your SWOT analyze. You should analyze yourself that what is your strength, what is your weakness. If you know your strength and weakness, guys, like my strength. Okay, if I say my strength is my honesty, my hard working, my truthfulness. Like everybody's have a strength, so you should know your strength and weakness. And like my weakness is I love food. Okay, so definitely you have also some weakness. So if you have you should, if you know your strength and weakness, then you can get a good opportunity in your life. Okay, so don't be nervous, don't be don't be nervous, and you don't be next is opportunities. Okay, if you get a good good self assurance, then you can get a good opportunities in your life. Okay, threat. What is threat is telling? Threat is when you think that you cannot do these things, you can't, that power that you can do this, that is your self is a threat in yourself. So don't be like that. Okay, next is next is focus on your feeling and emotion. You should focus on your feelings. What is your feelings and what is your emotion, guys? Okay, next is have an attitude of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. So what is attitude and gratitude? An attitude of gratitude means make it a habit to express thank thankfulness and appreciation in all part of your life on a regular basis. So it is grow your self confidence. Next is practice visualization. What is practice visualization? Why it is needed? Because uh, first, visualize yourself as you want to be, or trying to be, imagine yourself, or physically, mentally, emotionally, the kind of person you really want to become. Okay, it is a power of itself. Trust me, guys. I personally experienced myself. Okay, so magic will be start. Okay, if you do this. Okay, next, mind your negative thoughts. Okay, you know when you alone, sometimes you think a lot. Okay, so that time, that are the negative thoughts you think. But if you think positive, if you think you can do this, you have that all the potential, all the power you have. So don't